How can I simply edit a website on my hosting application that is available here on my homepage? For this, I should click on official browser of my PC and then I should sign in with my email ID and password to my Hostinger account. Now, it will be redirect you to the homepage of Hostinger where you can see all the details. But the first, what you have to do is simply take a subscription that is for rupees 129 a month. After doing it, you should click on the website builder and here you can see that up to 77% off you can get. Now, I will simply log in with my Gmail account I have. You can remind your Gmail password because it will be need you for doing it. Now, website builder and web hosting, you need to pay charges. So firstly, you can review the subscription, which subscription you want to take. As you can see the features also that in which amount what you will get exactly. Now we have to change the website. So how we can do it? Firstly, take a subscription, go to your account and click on any website you want to change. And from this menu, you can easily change the website or do anything with your website you want. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it and please subscribe to the channel.